Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're putting Gemini CLI, Claude Code, and Cursor AI head to head to see which one truly stands out in 2025. So in 2025, AI coding tools are no longer just a trend. They're an essential part of a developer's workflow. So whether you're a solo developer, a startup team, or a part of a large enterprise, choosing the right AI coding assistant can boost your productivity like never before. So let's dive right in. First up is the Gemini CLI. So this is a Google's command line based coding assistant designed specifically for developers who prefer terminal-based workflows. So it is a powerful AI assistant directly integrated into your terminal, helping you write, debug, refactor, and explain code in real time. So its key features is the code generation across major languages, the shell command suggestions, the natural language to code translation, and the integration with Google's ecosystem like Cloud, Firebase, and etc. So one of its strengths is Gemini CLI is super fast, context aware, and works beautifully for scripting, cloud functions, and DevOps workflows. So for the pricing, it has free tier available. It also has premium features included with some Google Cloud subscriptions. Now let's move forward with the Claude Code. So it is a conversational coding tool built into Cloud 3.5 and beyond, capable of deeply understanding large code bases and writing clean, readable code. So the key features are it handles large context code editing, it can read and reason through entire code bases. It is also helpful for writing docs, testing, and even software design. And the ethical guardrails and safety first design. So Claude Code shines when you need context retention and thoughtful, non-destructive code and changes across files. So for the pricing, included in Cloud Pro is $20 per month as of mid-2025. So it is also accessible via Anthropic API. And lastly is the Cursor AI, powered IDE. So it is a modified version of VS Code, which with deeply integrated AI agents to assist you while you type, debug, and refactor. So the key features includes inline code suggestions in chat, whole project understanding, Git-aware code reasoning, and seamless navigation through code bases. So Cursor AI is made for builders, and it's great for shipping fast with AI that can modify your entire project structure intelligently. So the pricing, it has free tier available with premium options. So it usually ranges from $20 to $30 per month for advanced access and team features. So for the side-by-side comparison, we're going to break it down and how these tools compare. So for the code generation accuracy, the Claude Code is best for thoughtful, clean, and multi-file generation. For the Cursor AI, it is excellent in real-time suggestions and project-wide edits. For the Gemini CLI, it is great for scripts, shell commands, and fast answers. Now for the ease of integration, Gemini CLI is ideal for terminal users, so it is simple, so you can install it via CLI. So for the Cursor AI, it is built into its own IDE, so there is no setup, so hassles if you're willing to switch from VS Code. For the Claude Code, it works in the browser via chat UI, or it integrates through the API. So that's it for our video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!